Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So untuk kelas tutorial hari ini, kita akan briefing on the final year project briefing lah. Saya akan brief on apa yang perlu ada. What is FYP, the scope, and so on. So, this is the content for today lah. What is FYP, and then the title and supervisors. Supervisors here, I'm going to talk about what is the role of your supervisor. Some of you ask me, so supervisor sebenarnya buat apa? Okay, so it will be a very short video for this. Okay, so you need to spend around half an hour maybe. Okay, so what is FYP? So the big what is FYP? Okay, so for your information, FYP is a project that need to be conducted individually, assist by your supervisor. Okay, so for your FYP project, it will consist of 2 subjects. For this semester, you are going to do or take subject CXP 600. So it is a subject CXP 600. It's a project formulations. It's a 3 credits. Okay, and we have discussed the content, the assessment for this CXP 600. There are 3 persons or people or lecturers that will assess you. First is me as a lecturer, second is your supervisor, and third is your examiner. So who is examiner? So, awak tahu saya siapa, lecturer lah kan, lecturer yang jawab. Supervisor siapa? Supervisor is a person who will assist you. Examiner is a lecturer that will do the examination, do the reading, hear your presentation, and will evaluate you. It will become from lecturer in our faculty or lecturer from our faculty, from FSKM, but from another campuses. For this semester, we will begin to open up or to share resources from other campuses. So in CXP 600, what are you going to do? So first, you have to explain the gaps obtained from the literatures in the area of computing science. Okay, so madam, apa the gap? Madam, what is the gap? Gap means what is the loophole? Apa maksud loophole pula, madam? Apa kekurangan yang ada, okay, dalam bidang ataupun dalam area yang awak pilih. Okay, and then lepas dah awak jumpa apa kekurangan, so you will propose appropriate solution to computing science problem. So awak akan propose appropriate solution lah, and then you will present the proposed solution. So in 6XP 600 for this semester, you just going to write a proposal. So tugas awak pada semester ini, awak perlu cari apa problem. Tapi problem tu janganlah problem dalam masakan ke apa, tak. In computer science lah. What is the problem and what is the gap? Apa gap dia? Okay, gap maknanya apa kekurangan dengan solution yang ada. Okay. And then awak akan propose solution. You have to propose solution. And then you have to write the proposed solution. Okay. And during your CXP 650, it is a 6 credit. Ini yang next semester lah, insyaAllah. Saya harap semua orang lepas lah dengan saya. Ada 42 orang sebelum sekali. Saya harap semua orang lepas. So 6 credit. And then awak akan buat apa? Masa SP 600, you do a proposal. Okay, you propose a problem, you propose a gap that you want to solve, and you propose the solution. In CXP 650, apa yang awak akan buat? Okay, awak akan do the proposal. Okay, awak akan implement the proposed solution. So apa yang buat? Solve undertaken problem using appropriate technique and principle in the field of computing science. Okay, selesaikan dia punya keyword. And present Okay, and then you have to propose the commercial potential for the undertaken solution. Okay, so how you want to decide your project? We have discussed, I've shown you there are 4 areas that are available in for your FYP project. That's for your CS244, actually, for business computing. Actually, you can look into what you have learned during or throughout your semesters as a 264, 230 or 244 students. You can look into a syllabus, okay? Okay, for example, this is a syllabus for CS244. You have taken several subjects, okay, that are related to system development, business intelligence, multimedia, and so on. So you may choose, you may use all those techniques that have been learned throughout the years in the as a degree students in your FYP project. Okay, so this is the subjects that have been taken by students CS 264. Okay, awak dah belajar macam-macam. Awak belajar pasal networking, awak belajar pasal multimedia, awak belajar pasal financial accounting, awak belajar pasal what information system, digital business. Okay, you have learned about management systems and so on. You belajar pasal business process management. And then this semester you are going to learn in business intelligence, data analytic. Next semester you are going to learn about data mining, and you have learned about system auditing and assurance. You have learned on system engineering. So those are subjects that equip you and prepare you, of course, for your career lah. Tapi for FYP, that subject that has prepare you for your FYP. So balik kalau you sekarang kat rumah ataupun sekarang dekat nota semua online kan, so balik cari balik, tengok balik apa dia business process management, what are the steps, okay, and then ada dalam digital business, dalam subjek digital business you have learn about e-business. Ada kita cerita pasal e-commerce dalam tu, kita cerita pasal inventory management system, kita belajar pasal e-procurement. Okay, what are they? Okay, same goes with 230 students. Okay, these are the subjects you have learned. You have learned on the software engineering, you have learned on the AI subject, you have learned on the programming subject, okay, and many more. Okay, and for 230, so FYP expectation, what we do expect from FYP project. First, of course, it is independent. Okay, independent study. So you have to prepare your project proposal, do your research work, not just another assessment. Yes, of course, it's not just another assessment. You just do it, submit it at the end of the semester, and then you wait for final examination. It's not. And then kalau assessment biasa je lah. Saya tahu je, saya pun student dulu. Kita buat study malam, esok test baru malam ni baru study. Okay, for your FYP project, it's not. And it's not something that can be done quickly or just before the deadline. And not just writing a long essay. Orang kata kita tak pakai timbang kati lah. Tak semestinya tebal tesis awak, tebal report awak, tinggi markah awak. Tak. Okay, so it's not just developing a software, and of course it's not easy, but it is doable. Yes, it is not easy, but it is doable, and I know all of you can do it, inshallah. So I'm sharing with you bentuk-bentuk project akhir FYP. This has been discussed and practiced throughout the system. FSKM students, we have practiced this, and then of course you need to concentrate on CS264, okay, and CS230. Okay, what are the type of project that we are expecting from a student 264 and 230? Okay, for 264, okay, we are expecting a prototype, a middle fidelity, and it must be a business solution. business modeling and solution. And then for 230, functional system tools, and the scope is on the algorithm. You can choose information retrieval, scientific visualization, and software engineering. So I want to highlight on what is middle fidelity prototyping. So medium fidelity prototyping is a prototype with limited functionality but clickable areas which present the interaction and navigation possibility of an application. Okay, it's apa maksud dia? Okay, it can be a prototype but must be a complete prototype. Siap lah. Okay. Second part that I would like to highlight is the 264 is focusing on front end system, and then 230 is focusing on back end system. So 230 students, madam, kalau buat tak ada interface boleh tak? Yes, you can. But depends on what you are proposing lah, apa project yang develop lah. Kalau you buat algorithm, simple for interface just for displaying the result, it's acceptable. What are the steps? Okay, apa step awak? First, you have to choose area of interest. Apa yang awak nak buat? Apa yang awak suka? Awak suka buat website. Saya suka berbeli shopping dekat Shopee. Tapi saya tak puas hati dengan Shopee tu. Ada benda yang saya rasa tak best. Okay. So, your area of interest is e-commerce. Maybe you want to look at awak rasa ayah awak ada kedai. Tapi ayah awak punya sistem inventory dia suka hati je. Dia tak ada keeping stock pun. Okay, awak rasa dia tak update dia punya stock. Semua pakai manual. Sistem ada. But still pekerja kedai ayah you kena buat secara manual. Pergi check. So there's something wrong with the system. So that's the gap. Okay. First, you have to choose area of interest. Then choose theoretical approach. Okay, and choose the domain. Nanti kita tunjuk balik apa dia. And then study on the selected area of interest and theoretical approach, and choose supervisor that match your area of interest or theoretical approach. So apa pilihan dalam area of interest yang ada? So it can be e-commerce, it can be information system, it can be business intelligence or business analytics. It can be multimedia application or any area in information technology that you are interested to implement. Okay. Pilih mana satu. Medium e-commerce tu macam mana? Okay, balik kepada subjek yang awak dah belajar. ISP 530. Dalam tu ada cerita e-commerce tu macam mana. Apa kriteria of e-commerce? Information system ada banyak jenis. Ada e-procurement, ada inventory management system, and many more. Macam apa maksud e-procurement, madam? Sistem nak buat apa, madam? Okey, balik pada ISP 530, baca balik apa dia e-procurement. Business intelligence and analytics. Okey, business and analytics, apa benda yang akan awak belajar? Apa yang projek yang ada? Apa benda business intelligence? Ini yang awak akan belajar di semester. Okey, ini more on prediction, nak buat prediction. Contoh awak nak tahu. Okey, kalau ikut nak tahu apa harga kereta untuk EX50 ataupun X70 for the next 5 years. You want to do a prediction. Contoh. Okay. And then it can be multimedia application. Any application. But you have to, itu baru area of interest. So next is, what are the theoretical approach that you want to implement dalam you punya area of interest tadi? Okay, contoh, awak pilih information system, then awak nak fokus pada inventory management model. Okay, that's the theoretical approach you. Contoh, you nak buat pasal e-commerce and you want to focus on consumer behavioural theories. Dari mana saya belajar? Awak belajar dulu pasal consumer behaviour theories. You nak buat sistem pasal information system, tapi you nak fokus pada auditing. You have learned auditing last 2 semesters. Okay, and maybe you nak buat business intelligence and you want to focus on prediction model. Or maybe you nak buat information system but you are focusing on HCI ataupun ini more on interfaces HCI approach. Okay, maybe you nak fokus pada optimization. Orang computer science nak fokus pada optimization. Banyak lagi theoretical approach. Contoh, you nak buat pasal rule based. You nak pakai teori apa? Nak pakai apa lagi teori? Banyak lagi. Okay, kata kepada apa area of interest. Then you have to choose where you want to implement those, ataupun siapa yang akan dapat benefit, or where is the problem or issue occur. Okay, you have to gather data for project. Okay, so for example dekat government sector, besar government sector, contoh dekat UIDM ke, dekat company, dekat business, you have your ayah you ada kedai, pakcik you ada kedai, or you may know somewhere yang memang ada problem. Okay, then you want to solve the problem. Okay, so that's the domain lah. So this is example. Okay, contoh clothing line, e-store, kids wear, website design method and so on. So first step, you have to choose your area of interest, and then choose the theoretical approach, and then choose the domain, and study on the selected area of interest and theoretical approach. Yang ini saya akan beri pasal next week. So untuk this week, you have to prepare. You kena fikir-fikir dah, saya suka buat website, so saya nak buat website untuk mana. Okay, tahu dah awak bawa information system. So information system nak buat apa problem yang awak nak solve, apa theoretical approach yang awak nak pakai. Okay, so macam mana nak cari? Okay, you can go to the library. Okay, contoh you dah pilih you nak buat pasal business intelligence. So you go to library online, and then choose online database, choose Corpus SCM Digital Library, and then you may type. Contohnya awak nak cari pasal e-commerce, you just type je e-commerce, and you may look, you can see what are the current trend, what are the current trend for nowadays lah. Apa yang orang dah buat, apa gap, apa theoretical approach that have been used. Okay, and then you may start searching. So what are the example titles? These are the example lah. So kalau kita tengok first title. Okay, so kita apa dia punya first title? This is the first title. Happy Tamis online food ordering website using food on demand business model. Okay, so first, biasanya dalam title awak akan jumpa area of interest and juga theory application. So area of interest kita tahu bila sebut online food ordering website kat sini adalah e-commerce. Okay, and then dia pakai theoretical approach apa? Dia pakai food on demand business model. Okay, second topic, menu recommendation system using analytical hierarchy process. So depannya apa? Ini adalah information system lah. Satu web based lah sebab dia adalah rule based lah sebab dia recommendation system. It's an information system, it's a rule based system, it's under recommendation system. So what are the theory applied? Dia pakai analytical hierarchy process. Yang ni pula dibawa courseware. Malaysia History Courseware using gamification theory. So kita tahu ini area of interest dia adalah multimedia, dibawa courseware. Okay, dia pakai gamification theory. Okay, so Club Information Management System ini apa? Ini adalah information system. Dia pakai Lucid Framework. So this is the theory. So the first step you need to do is cari dulu area of interest awak nak buat kat mana, apa. And then kalau you dah ada in mind nak buat pasal apa, okay, you may start googling. Okay, kat mana googling? Pergi dekat website yang tadi tu lah, EasyExcel Library, and start login and guna EasyExcel Library and cari STM Scopus. Okay, and then you boleh, okay. So, macam mana nak pilih topik? Macam mana nak pilih project? It must be specific. Okay, specific. Maksudnya tahulah nak buat apa. E-commerce. Fokus pada e-commerce. Measurable. Okay, mesti boleh. Measurable. And then mesti achievable. Jangan buat sistem terlalu besar. Jangan selesaikan masalah dunia. Tapi jangan terlalu kecil. And must be realistic and time bound. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. Simple tutorial. Okay, next video saya akan bagi contoh-contoh project, more project, and then apa area of interest, apa dia punya domain, apa dia punya theory application. So from now on, you have to start thinking. Minggu ni saya nak awak start thinking. Next week saya akan tanya apa yang dah ada dalam you punya mind. Okay, kelas. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.